Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I will talk about the current crypto market situation and what kind of trades we could make. So guys, let me show you. Of course, if you want to trade, I have a couple of thousands of dollars of bonuses in the description. Check the links in the description. And as of right now, I have two long trades open here over on Phemex. And as you can see, as of right now, about $650 in profit. Check the links in the description, guys. So as of right now, you can see here, Bitcoin is forming an ascending triangle, and an ascending triangle is much more likely to break out to the upside. Yeah. So if you're right now not in a trade, yeah, you could wait until we have at least, let's say, 2 hourly closes without, out of this triangle above this resistance line. Okay. Then you could fancy the idea to start a long trade. And there's not much resistance going on. We could go up until 27.5k dollars. Okay, guys. As you can see here, the VPR shows us we have a lot of traded volume in the range of about 24.6k. And so, guys, that's the current situation here for Bitcoin. If you're not in a long trade, wait until we have a breakout here. Okay. So then the next thing we're gonna talk about is Ethereum, guys. Is Ethereum, and let me show you guys. Ethereum is right now in a broadening wedge, yeah? And a broadening wedge like this is also more likely to break out to the upside, okay? But if you're not in a trade right now, what can you do? It's not the most beautiful broadening wedge, but still it is a broadening wedge, okay? So as of right now, we should also wait until we get a break above this resistance line, and maybe at least a 1 or 2 hourly closes, and then we could fancy the idea to enter a long trade. As you can see, the next resistance level is about $1,760, and if we reach this level, we have to see how the market reacts and then adjust our trades or take some profits, or let's see what the market will tell us at this point. So guys, that's what's going on. And yes, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.